Today, I'm unboxing the WATERFLY Small Fanny Pack, a compact RFID-blocking waist bag designed for travel, hiking, and everyday use. Unboxing and design. The bag has a stylish, sporty design with a front drawstring detail and a slim 1.5-liter capacity. It weighs just 170 grams and measures 9 by 5.1 by 1.97 inches, so it's easy to carry without feeling bulky. Features. The adjustable strap extends from 24.4 to 47.2 inches, making it suitable for different body types. There's a lockable front zipper for added security, plus a hidden rear pocket with RFID blocking material to help protect cards and passports from digital theft. Durability. It's made from 500D nylon with a PU-coated surface, providing water, abrasion, and tear resistance. Final thoughts. For travel, hiking, running, cycling, or everyday carry, the WATERFLY offers a lightweight and practical way to keep your essentials secure and organized.